Hey, welcome back to Serene in the Making. I've been away for a little bit, but today I have a video and it's a fun one. Today I'm continuing my step-by-step rose drawing tutorial from about a month ago, but this time I'm taking things in a completely new direction. Instead of staying inside the lines, I'm experimenting with a burst of creativity and throwing the whole color wheel into my drawing. So this is a mix of art tutorials for beginners, color blending, and just pure fun. The kind of coloring project that's relaxing, experimental, and totally newbie friendly. I wanted this sketch session to be something joyful, colorful, and a little unpredictable. Kind of like when art surprises you in the best way. For this session, I pulled out my favorite pencils. Right now, I'm a sucker for Crayola, Prismacolor, and even some watercolor pencils. I started by sketching a simple flower design, layering all shades of yellows, purples, blue, oranges, reds to create the bold rainbow effect. So if you're wondering if I planned the palette, I absolutely did not. I just let the colors lead the way. This is such a great reminder that even simple, easy drawings can become really gorgeous flower designs when you let go of perfection and focus on the joy of creating. So if you're into improving your freehand sketching techniques, or you just like to do easy pencil drawings, or you really just like playing with color, this approach opens up new ways to play with tone and texture. As I finish layering this rainbow of colors, you can already see how the rose is taking its own personality. A little bold, a little unexpected, and completely original. This isn't your typical realistic step-by-step rose drawing. It's more of an abstract rose design. So that lets me step out of the box of perfection and play freely with color and form. So now I'm in the next part where I move to the stem and leaves, adding some new shades and shapes before I start blending everything together with the white colored pencil. I tried this technique on another video right here, and I really like how it turned out. I'll also put it in the description box. So if you're coloring along, take a moment to experiment. Try new angles, layering another color, or just let the pencil wander. So things are starting to come together. And now I have most of the color down for each part of my flower. In just a little bit, I'm going to show you a before blending picture and an after blending picture. So here's the moment I've been wanting to show you. This step is honestly so satisfying. I'm going to zoom in so you can see the warm oranges merge together with the cool blue. So here you go. Here's the before and after that I promised. Do you see the difference? So after blending, one of my final steps is I took a sharpened black colored pencil and began outlining key areas, adding subtle freehand sketching details and delicate textures around the petals and leaves. This simple final touch adds some depth, and it transforms a simple flower drawing into something striking, if I must say so myself. Okay, let's speed this up just a little bit. What I love most about this process is how relaxing it feels. Coloring like this is an escape for me. It's art for relaxation, it's art for joy, and it's a reminder that creativity doesn't need rules. So whether you're following along with this tutorial or you're just here to unwind, I hope that this inspires you to grab your pencils and experiment. Here's one more little art tip for you. Whatever you decide to sketch, color, or draw, you can take that, scan it, and make your own wall art or a handmade card. A perfect idea if you're on a budget. So, color outside the lines. Create your own rose or whatever floral design that you choose. Because every color tells a story, and the best art happens when you throw the whole color wheel into the mix. Back to the drawing board.